Welcome 7th standard. Continue from the previous videos. I am going to explain few questions. In this first question, they ask us to find profit or loss, and after finding that we want to find the percentage of the profit or the loss. So first one is gardening shares bought for rupees 250 and sold for rupees 325. So what is gardening share? Gardening share na நம்ம தோட்டத்தில் வந்து புல் வெட்டுறதுக்கு சிசர்ஸ் வச்சுருப்பாங்கள்ல, பெரிய சிசர்ஸ், தட் இஸ் கால்ட் அஸ் கார்டனிங் ஷேர்ஸ். அது எவ்வளோக்கு வாங்கியிருக்காங்களோ 250க்கு வாங்கியிருக்காங்க. வாட் இஸ் தட்? 250. That is market price is also called as cost price. Rupees is 250. And for how much it is sold? It is sold for 325 rupees. So selling price is equal to 325 rupees. வாங்கினது 250 ரூபாய், விற்றது எவ்வளோ? 325 ரூபாய். Then what is that? Then either it is profit or loss. Definitely it is profit. ஏன்னா வாங்கினது 250, விற்றது வந்து 325. So definitely it is profit. So if it is profit, we can use this formula. Selling price is 325 is equal to cost price is 250 plus profit rupee we want to find. This one I told you already. So from this we want to find profit first. So bring this one this side, or you can rearrange profit plus cost price, that is 250, is equal to selling price. Like this also you can do. So profit only we want to find is equal to 325 minus 250. So profit, subtract, you will get answer as 75. And for this we want to find percentage. How to find percentage? Profit percentage. How to find profit percentage? Profit amount divided by the market amount into percentage. How to find percentage? Into 100. So what is that? 75. What is market price or cost price? Cost price is 250 and multiple with 100 to convert it into percentage. So try to cancel this get cancelled. 25th table, this is 1 time, this is 3 times. So 3 into 10% is equal to 30%. I'll explain one more question. See, look at this question. A skirt bought for rupees 250 and sold for rupees 150. So what is that? What is given? First D. What is given? Bought in the sense the price which we bought, that is market price. Market price is equal to 250. What is that sold amount? That is selling price. Selling price is equal to 150. See, compare this. நம்ம வாங்கினதை விட விற்றது கம்மியாக இருக்குது. So which means which one? What is this? Actually this denotes loss. So here, so we can use this loss formula. Selling price is equal to cost price or market price minus loss. First substitute here. This is 150 is equal to cost price is 250 minus loss. Or if you have confusion, write like this. So we want to find loss alone. So 250, bring this 250 this side, minus loss is equal to 150 minus 250. If you bring this plus 250 becomes minus 250. So loss is equal to 150 minus 250 is minus 100. So minus get cancelled. Therefore loss amount is equal to rupees 100. So we found amount. How to find percentage? Similarly, same process. Loss percentage is equal to loss amount, that is 100 divided by what is that market price? 250 into percentage. So possibilities to cancel, yes. 0 get cancelled. Then fifth table, this is 2 times, this is 5 times. Again fifth table, this is 1 time, this is 20 times. Is equal to 20 into 2 is 40. So loss of amount 40 percentage. That's all. Thank you. Meet you in the next video.